Hello and welcome to Let's Talk Meshing's Tutorial Tuesday, where we explore a feature in just a few minutes. In this week's video, we're discussing how to create notes. Let's start by opening Pointwise. Here we see the back-step tutorial on our screen. Creating notes is very simple. First, go to the Create menu and choose Notes. You should see a new tab that is titled Create Notes. At the top is a large white text box. Let's go ahead and type in something. For example, backstep tutorial. At this point, you can click in the screen and you can see what the preliminary note looks like. If that's too small, you can go into the size box and change that. Right now it says 1.0. Let's change it to 5 and I'll push enter. That's more like it. Just below the size box are several buttons. You can use these to add boldness, make them italic, and add an underline. I'll undo those for now. The next button is Align to Screen. This is an interesting one. Let's say you rotate your model and the text. Note that they're both rotating. But now you want the text to be aligned to the screen again. Go ahead and push Align to Screen. And now it's facing you, the viewer, once again. If you don't like the overall placement of the note on the screen, you can grab the little yellow square that acts as an anchor and move it around the screen. Or you could go to the XYZ box down here and type in your coordinates manually. When you're happy with the note, push OK. If you like this video, be sure to check the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.